A'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajim. Bismillahir rahmanir rahim. Alhamdulillahi rabbil alamin. Wassalatu wassalam ala ashrafil anbiya'i wal mursaleen. Sayyidina Muhammad wa ala alihi wa sahbihi ajma'in. Rabbi shrah li sadri wa yassir li amri wahlul 'uqdatam min lisani yafqahu qawli. Rabbi yassir wa la tu'assir wa tamam bil khair. Assalamu alaikum everyone.
Walaikum
Alaikum
assalam.
salam.
We are learning lesson 13 from the Madina book. Let us do quick revision of what we saw yesterday and we'll continue inshallah. Who can tell me what's plural of Muslimun? What is plural of Muslimun?
Muslimatun.
Muslimatun is female Muslims. So
Muslimuna.
how do we say plural male Muslims? Muslimatun is many Muslim females.
Muslimuna.
Muslimuna, very good. Tony Lantia has the correct answer. Muslimun, plural of Muslimun is Muslimuna. What is plural of Mudarrisun?
Mudarrisuna.
Mudarrisuna. These are masculine or feminine?
Masculine.
Masculine. So Muslimun becomes Muslimuna, Mudarrisun becomes Mudarrisuna. What would be plural of Salih? Salihun. Sadia, what is plural of Salihun?
Salihuna.
Salihuna. Salihun would become Salihuna. Now, feminine, what is Muslimatun? A female Muslim. One female Muslim is Muslimatun. What do we say for female Muslims? Many Muslims.
Muslimatun.
Muslimatun. What is Muhandisatun?
Muhandisatun.
Muhandisatun. What is the meaning of Muhandisatun?
Engineer.
Engineer.
Female engineer.
Female engineer is Muhandisatun. Muhandisatun is female engineers. This is regular plural. This is like, what is plural of hen?
Hens.
Hens. What is plural of potato?
Potatoes.
Potatoes. What is plural of house? How do we say many of house?
Houses.
Houses.
House.
Like we say house, houses, table, tables, pen, pens, pencil, pencils. We say Muslimun, Muslimuna, Mudarrisun, Mudarrisuna, Muslimatun, Muslimatun, Muhandisatun, Muhandisatun. This is the regular plural. Now we also have broken plural. This broken plural is like, what is the plural of tooth?
Teeth.
Teeth. What is the plural of wife?
Wives.
Wives. This is not following the regular pattern. These are irregular plurals. What would be plural of kitabun?
Kutubun.
Kutubun. Plural of baitun?
Buyutun.
Plural of fata?
Fityatun.
Fityatun. Very good. So young man, fata. Young men, fityatun. Zamilun, colleague. What's plural of zamilun?
Zumulau.
Zumala'u. Zamilun is one colleague. Many colleagues would be zumala'u. Akhun, what is akhun?
Brother.
Brother. Plural of akhun?
Ikhwatun.
Ikhwatun. These are some of the broken plurals, and we'll, as you go through broken plurals, inshallah, like we say, women, wife, wives, tooth, teeth, goose, geese. Broken plurals will inshallah become natural to you. You just need lots and lots of practice. Let me mute everyone. Okay. What does this mean? Dhahaba al-fata ila al-masjidi. Dhahaba al-fata ila al-masjidi. What does this mean?
The young man went to the masjid.
The young man went to the masjid. And how do we make this in the plural form? How do we say the young men went to the masajid, went to the mosques? Satya, what is the plural of this sentence? How do we say the young man went to the mosques?
ذهب الفتية إلى المسجد
ذهب الفتية. It has to be
فتية إلى
because it
المسجد.
is subject. So ذهب الفتية إلى المساجد. What is the answer, Zahan? How do we say the young men went to the mosques? Are you there, Zahan? Okay. Adnan, what is the answer to this question? The young men went to the mosques. How do we make this in Arabic? Sadia just told the answer. It is ذهب الفتية إلى المساجد. What is the answer?
ذهب الفتية إلى المسجد.
إلى المساجد. Again.
ذهب الفتية إلى المساجد.
ذهب الفتية إلى المساجد.
Sakib Chacha, sorry, I was able to unmute.
ذهب الفتية
Let
إلى
Adnan finish. After
المساجد.
you can answer. Again, Adnan.
ذهب الفتية إلى المساجد.
Very good. Now, without saying,
ذهب الفتية إلى مساجد.
إلى المساجد. Good. What's the answer, Zahan?
ذهب فتية إلى المسجد.
It is ذهب الفتية. You merge with the lam only when you have al. Okay, so you say ذهب الفتية إلى المساجد. So where you have the lam, that's where you merge. You don't merge. You don't say tul here because here it is ila. You say ذهب الفتية إلى المساجد. What is the answer?
ذهب الفتية إلى المسجد.
إلى المساجد.
مساجد.
Mosques. ذهب الفتية إلى المساجد. Again, Zahan.
ذهب الفتية إلى مساجد.
No, again.
ذهب الفتية إلى المسجد. مساجد.
ذهب الفتية إلى المساجد. Plural of hada and hadihi, which means this, is haulai, which means these. What's the meaning of hada? Tajirun. What does
هذا
this?
is this.
This is a merchant.
This is a merchant. What is the answer, Sadia? What is hada tajirun?
This is a masjid.
It's a merchant. Business.
Was a merchant.
Merchant is tajirun. What is plural of this? How do we say these are merchants?
هؤلاء تجار.
Tujarun. Haulai tujarun. Haulai tujarun. What's the meaning of hadihi mudarrisatun?
This is a
Teachers.
teacher.
It's a lady teacher. It's a female teacher because it is mudarrisatun. A male teacher would be mudarrisun. How do we say these are lady teachers?
هؤلاء مدرسة.
Satu.
Haulai mudarri
سات.
satun. Haulai mudarri satun. So mudarrisatun, plural is mudarrisatun. We've already seen this. Plural of hadihi is haulai. So we'll say haulai mudarrisatun. Like how we say this is a lady teacher, we use this. Here we use these. Here we say teacher because it is just one teacher. Here we say teachers. So we say mudarrisatun. That's how we use the plural. Okay. Who can tell me this answer? Who are these tall young men, O Ali? Who can give me the translation of this sentence? Who remembers this answer? This is yesterday's question. How do we say who?
Man.
Man. How do we say these?
Haula. Haulai.
So it's going to be man haulai. Now, tall young men. Which is the adjective here?
Tall, young.
Tall, young men could be replaced by a noun. So they can either say men who are young and tall, or young men together they have a noun which is fityatun. Young men is then the noun, which is the adjective.
Tall.
Tall. So tall is the adjective. So we say man ha u la e. What do we say for young men? Plural. Fityatun.
Ya
Man
Ali.
ha u la e fityatun. Who are these young men? Now how do we say tall? Adjective in Arabic comes after. Now how do we say tall? Plural.
Tibalu, Shakir. Tibalu.
So here we could put al. Who are these? No, we would not put al. We'll just say fityatun, tibalun, ya Ali. There's going to be ya Ali,
You.
ya Ali you, ya Ali ya, ya Aliyan, ya Ali ya Aliyan. What's it?
Ya Ali, you.
Ya Ali you. When you say ya, you only put u. Ya Ali you. Who are these tall men? Who are these tall young men, O Ali? Would be man haulai fityatun tiwalun ya aliyu.
Saqib, instead we add al to both, no, Saqib? Saying that these means it's definite.
Man haula. Who are these tall young men? So we should have
Yeah. Yeah, instead we wrote al fityatu attibalu.
Attibalu, correct. If I don't put the al, it will become these are. We'll have the are coming in between, but we want to say who are these tall young men. So I will have the connection between haulai and al fityatu and attibalu. So I should have al. If I don't have al, there is no break. There is a break between haulai and fityatun tiwalun. So I'll have to put an r here. But here I put this together, so I have the r over here. Who are these tall men? These tall men becomes.
Otherwise, what is the meaning? How will you read this? Saqib, if al is not there, how will you translate?
So
Who?
if I just put this,
Fityatun and
question.
tawilu. Yeah.
so I'll put man later. So if I put haulai fityatun, it becomes these are young men.
These are young men.
So it becomes these are young men. And here also I need to have tibalun.
Yeah.
Now this sentence says these are tall young men, O Ali.
These, no question form.
I cannot put man here because this is a statement. So I can put a yes or no question. I can say hal haulai fityatun tiwalun ya Ali. Are these young tall men, O Ali? This is the question I can put because here this sentence means these are tall young men. So I can only put yes or no because this is a statement.
Okay.
On the other hand, this sentence, Haula il fityatu tiwalu, means these young men. I can ask anything about these young men. I can ask where are they, who are they, when did they come. I can put anything because all of this is the whole subject.
Okay, understood, sir.
So this becomes one. Who are these tall young men, O Ali? Let's try to make one more sentence. How will I say, when did these tall men come, O Ali? And I'll tell you what do we say for when. So when, like how do we say who?
Man,
Man. When is mata?
mata.
Mata is when. Now mata is when. I've already told you what is mata. How did we say, did these tall men come?
Man ja haula.
Ja'a. Very good. So there's a verb here. So I put ja'a. So ja'a means he comes. Who comes? Haula il fityatu tiwalu. Ya Ali.
Ja. Men no. Jau should put okay.
No, this ja'a is coming at the starting. So when the verb comes first, you only keep it as ja'a.
Yeah. Okay.
If I put ja'a later, then it becomes ja'u. But here ja'a
Yeah.
comes first, so it stays ja'a.
In question form also say. No.
Yes. Question form.
Okay.
just
Yeah.
the
Yeah.
question
Correct.
form, everything else
Okay.
stays the same.
Okay. Sir.
So mata ja'a haula il fityatu tiwalu ya aliyu. When did these tall men come, O Ali? And come is ja'a. Okay. So what is this answer, Sadia? Who are these tall young men, O Ali?
Man
Sakib Chacha, can I
haulai
give it a
al
try?
fityatu attiwalu ya aliyu.
Very good. Zahan, when it is your turn, then you answer. What is the answer, Zahan? Let me unmute you if you are on mute. Can we unmute Zahan? Okay, Zahan is not able to unmute. What is the answer, Adnan? Who are these tall young men, O Ali? We just wrote the answer. What's this answer?
Yes, Sakib Chacha. I am able to unmute now. Can I?
Yes, Zahan, answer in your turn, Zahan. I'm giving you a turn. Okay, so find a way to unmute yourself and only answer in your turn. You are answering on others' turn, Zahan. What's the answer, Zahan?
Man haulai fityatul tawilu ya Ali.
Avelu
Ya
is
Aliyu.
singular.
Tiwalu,
is
Tiwalu.
plural.
I'm sorry, Tiwalu.
Al
Man
Tiwalu would be
haulai
tall young man. How do we say O Ali?
ya Aliyu.
Yeah, Ali. Very good. Now give me the full answer.
Man haulai al fityatul tiwalu ya Aliyu.
Very good. So how you'll merge this? You'll say man haula il fityatu tiwalu, because here there's al. You will merge the e with the la. With fa, you'll say al fata. Okay, you'll say al fi'l. You'll say with fa, you merge with the lam. You don't go directly to the fa. But with ta, you skip the lam. You'd say fityatut tiwalu. That's the rule of ta. So ta, you skip the lam. With fa, you don't skip the lam. You say il fityatu. So how you read this is man haula il fityatut tiwalu ya aliyu. What's the answer again, Zahan?
Man haula il fityatut tiwalu ya Aliyu.
Aliyu, very good. Now can you try the answer, Adnan? You're on mute, Adnan. Yes. What's the answer, Adnan?
هؤلاء فتية
Tiwalu.
طوال يالي.
Very good. Again. How do you say who?
هؤلاء فتية طوال يالي.
Right. So you're saying these tall young men, oh Ali. Who is man? You need to add the man at the starting.
Okay.
So add the man to the starting and again say the answer.
من هؤلاء فتية طوال يالي.
Very good. So man haula il fityatu tiwalu ya aliyu. Very good, Adnan. They are new students. How do we say this? Sadia or Zahan, if you can unmute yourself, Zahan, how do you translate this? How do you say they? How do you say he? Again, Sadia?
Whom? They will
Whom?
be whom?
Whom is they? How do you say students?
Talibun.
Talibun is one student. Plural of Talibun?
Talibatun.
Talibatun is female students.
Talibuna.
So,
Tullabun.
Talibuna is like saying wives or gooses. How do you say students? Tullabun. So Talibun becomes Tullabun. However, female follows the pattern. So Talibatun becomes Talibatun. But the male, it has a broken form. So student is Talibun. Students plural is Tullabun. So how do you say they are students?
Hum Tullabun.
Tullabun. Now how do you add new here? Where do you put new?
Hum Tullabun Jadidun.
Jadidun is again singular. It's one student. But here you need plural. Many new. Jududun. Hum Tullabun Jududun is they are new students. What's the answer, Satya?
Hum Tullabun Jududun.
Hum Tullabun Jududun. Very good. Again, Satya.
Hum Tullabun Jududun.
Hum Tullabun Jududun. Very good. What's the answer, Adnan? How do you say they are new students? How do you say they, Adnan? How do you say he? He is a student, or he is a teacher, or he is an engineer. How do you say he? He is hua. What is plural of hua?
What?
Hua is he. They is whom. Hum tullabun jududun.
طلاب جدد.
Very good. Again.
هم طلاب جدد.
Hum tullabun jududun.
Yes. هم طلاب جدد.
Hum tullabun jududun.
جدد.
Jududun. Very good. Now, how do you say Adnan? She is a new student. I'm making it singular and feminine. How do you say she is a new student? And this is feminine. How do you say she?
هي
Very good. Here.
هي طلاب جدد.
No. Tullabun is many students, plural. How do you say one female student? How do you say I am a student? Here Tullabun is wrong because it is like saying she is students. It does not match. How do you say I am a student? How do you say I? I is Ana. Like if you are saying I am from India, you say Ana minal Hindi. Ana minal Hind. So Ana is I. How do you say I am a student? How do you say one student? Masculine. How do you say student?
Talibun.
Talibun. So if Adnan says,
Yes,
he will say Ana Talibun. If you say Sadia, I am a student, what will you say?
Talibatun.
Talibatun is many students.
Talibatun.
Talibatun. So Sadia will say Ana Talibatun, Adnan will say Ana Talibun. Now Adnan, tell me. She is a new student. So she is here. How do you say student feminine?
Okay, so here, it's all
How does Sadia say I am a student?
Ana Talibun.
Ana Talibun is male. So this is what you would say. But what would Sadia say?
Ana Talibatun.
Okay, very good. Ana Talibatun. So what is feminine student called? One feminine student. How do we say it?
Talibatun.
Talibatun. Okay. So now here also you need feminine student. One student. How do you say feminine student?
Here Talibatun.
Yeah, Talibatun. This would still be she is a student. Now how do you say new student?
New.
Yeah, Talibatun is she is a student. How do you put new?
Here.
Like if you say I am a new student, you would say Ana Talibun Jadidun.
Here Talibatun. Jadidun.
Jadidun is masculine. So it could mean I am a new feminine student but new in the male form. It does not match.
So
This is wrong. You not say Talibatun Jadidun. What will you say
here
instead? You say here Talibatun Jadidatun.
Jadidatun.
Like how Talibun became Talibatun, Jadidun will also become Jadidatun.
Jadidatun.
Very good. So how do you say Adnan? She is a new student.
Here Talibatun Jadidatun.
Very good. Here Talibatun Jadidatun. How will you say she is a new teacher?
Here Mudarrisatun.
Very good.
Here Mudarrisatun Jadidatun.
Very good. Brilliant. So you'll say Huwa Muddar.
Here.
Yeah. So here Mudarri Satun Jadidatun.
Jadid.
Okay. Brilliant. From where are they? How do you say from where are they? In Arabic, you always put the question word in the front. So that's why I put from where are they. In English, you would say where are they from, but in Arabic, you put the from at the starting. What do you say from? I am from India is Anna Minal Hind. So what is the word for from? How do you say from, Sadio? Okay, Sadia, you are on mute. Zahan, if you can unmute and say the answer. Sadia or Zahan, whoever is first. Okay, you answer then Adnan. Since Sadia, Zahan are busy having coffee. So your turn again. From where are they?
From where are they will be
How do you say from? How do you say I am from India?
Yes, Sahib.
This. How do you translate this sentence? Whoever can go first. Sadia, Adnan, or Zahan.
I am from India will be Ana Hindiyun.
Ana Hindiyun is I am.
Ana
from
minal Hindu.
Ana minal Hindi. Ana minal Hindi is I am from India. Now, how do you say from where are they?
India.
Min
Min
Min Ina
min aina huma hum.
Min aina
Min
hum.
Ina
Where are
hum.
they? Those two. Huma is two. How do you say they plural? We saw yesterday. We did not say
Hum.
that. Hum. Min aina hum. Like you'd say, they are new student. Hum tulabun jududun. They is hum. So here also they is hum. So what's the answer again, Satya?
Min aina hum.
Min aina hum. From where are they? Min aina hum. How will you say from where is she?
Min Aina here.
Min aina here. Very good. From where is he?
Min Aina Hua.
Min aina hua. Very good. Min aina hua. Min aina here. Min aina hum. From where are they would be min aina hum. They are from America. Easy. So you said Ana minal Hind is Ana minal Hindi is I am from India. Now how do you say they are from America?
Hua Ana America.
Again?
Hua Ana Minal Hindi America.
Hua Ana is he, I, and what did you say after Hua?
It should be Hum Minal America.
Very good. So America does not have al, so it becomes hum min America. India has al, America does not have al. Hum min America. Hum min America is they are from America. How do you say, Zahan, they are from America?
Hum Man
Man is who? How do you say from?
America.
Again? Again,
Hum
Zahan?
Hum min America.
Man America. Oh, Hum Min America.
Hum min America. Okay, both of you have the correct answer. How do you say they are from India?
Hum Minal America. Sorry, India.
How do you say they are from India?
Hum Minal Hindiyun.
Hindiyun is Indian. How do you say India is the country?
Hindia.
Hindi. Minal Hindi. Hum Minal Hindi, because of
Hum
min
minal
you
Hindi.
put Hindi. America has alif. You can't do anything. America is going to be America. You cannot say America. Ooh, it will be wrong. So where you have alif, you leave it as alif, but there should be a hidden kasra here, which the alif is covering. But with Hind, you will put Hindi. Hum Minal Hindi. Because of min, you will put e. But where you have alif, the alif covers the e. You cannot see the e in America. Okay. Are they your colleagues? So are is a yes or no question. We know how to do this. So we'll put are at the end. How do you say they are your colleagues? Let's do they are your colleagues, and then in the end we'll make it are they your colleagues.
Hal hum
Hal hum.
I don't know what's from colleagues.
We saw colleague. Zamilun is one colleague. What is plural of Zamilun?
Zamilun.
Zumalau.
Zumala'u. Hal hum zu
Hal Hum Zumala'un.
la
Uka.
u is
Ka.
colleagues. Your colleagues would be
Zumalauka.
Uka, because it is Ali. He's asking Ali. Ali is masculine, so it put Zumala'uka. Like ma ismuka, you put zumalauka, your colleagues. Hal is are, so we already put it in the question form. So are they your colleagues would be hal hum zumalauka. How will you say are they his colleagues?
Zumalauhu.
Zumalauhu. So who is the pronoun for his? So hal hum zumalauhu, are they his colleagues? Are they your colleagues? Hal hum zumalauka. Are they my colleagues? How do you say are they my colleagues?
E should come, Sahib. Zumala.
E. So how does the sentence transform? Hal hum zumala'i. With the ya, it will become E. Hal hum zumala'i, are they my colleagues? Are they your colleagues? Hal hum zumalauka. Are they your colleagues? Hal hum zumalauka or hum zumalauka. Both of them means are. Hum zumalauka or hal hum zumalauka. You're both correct. Yes, they are my colleagues. How do we say yes, they are my colleagues? How do you say yes?
Naam.
Naam. Naam is yes. Now how do we say they are my colleagues?
Hum Zumalai.
Very good. So Naam. Naam. Hum. How do you say my colleagues?
Zumalai.
Jumla'i.
Zuma E. Naam hum Zumala E. Yes, they are my colleagues. How do you say they are in my class?
Hum min fasali. I don't know.
Hum min fasli, they are from my class. Which is also correct. You can also say hum minal fasli or hum min fasli would be they are from my class. Or if you want to say in, how do you say in?
Min. No, no.
P.
Fi.
B. Fi.
Min
Oh.
is from, fi is in. Hua
Yeah, yeah.
fil baiti, he is in the house. Hua fil
Yeah.
baiti, he is in. Hum fi, how do you say my class?
Fasali.
Firstly. What's the difference between this firstly and this? What's the difference between firstly and al firstly?
Al firstly is only the class.
It's the class. What is firstly?
My class.
My class. Why is there no al?
Big.
Because they are from the class, shouldn't be there.
Yeah,
They're
that's
from
al
my
firstly.
class.
But when I put my class, I do not put al. Why? How do you say pen? The pen of Hamid.
Qalamu Hamidin.
Very good. Kalamu Hamidin. How do you say his pen?
Huwa Kalamu.
Kalamuhu.
Kalamuhu. Kalamuhu.
Hamidin is pen of Hamid. Now, if you want to put he, what will you say? Kalamu.
Oh.
Kalamu who? How will you say my pen?
Kalami.
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 Kalami is my pen. Now, Kalamu Hamidin. This does not have al. Remember, before al, I cannot have tanmeen, I cannot have kalamun, I cannot have kalaman. I need to have kalamu or kalama depending on the sentence. So it has to be Kalamu Hamidin or Kalamuhu. Kalami. In English, we say his pen, but in Arabic, we would say pen of his. So Kalamu is before of Kalamu. Of his is who. The of comes automatically. The moment I say Kalamu who, there is Kalam, there is his, and there is the of coming automatically because of the structure. Kalami, again I cannot put al because Qalam is before of. Before of, I cannot put al. Same way here. What is firstly?
Class.
My
Class of mine.
Class
Firstly,
of mine.
Oh, that firstly, no, yeah.
Firstly
Class of
is
mine.
class of mine. So class
Okay.
comes before of. It cannot have al. If I don't have the pronoun, there is no of. I can put al. I can put al firstly. But the moment I put e, it becomes class of mine. First comes before of. I need to take off the al. So that's why it becomes firstly. It can be firstly, firstluhu, firstluka. I should not put the al. Putting the al would make it wrong. Hum fi firstly. They are in my class. Very good. Now Sadia or Zahan, you need to translate the full sentence correctly. Let's see who can get it correct first.
Yes, they are my colleagues. Will be Naam hum zumulai, and they are in my class. Will
Naam
be
Ana Zumulahi, and they are in my class would be
hum fil fasli.
Well, firstly, they are in the class.
Fi Fasli.
Fi fasli.
Me firstly. No, very good. Now who can give full answer correct?
Naam hum zumulai hum fi fasli.
Very good. Naam hum zumala'i hum fi fasli. Naam hum zumala'i hum fi fasli. Yes, they are hum zumala'i. Again, we have ya here. We will not have al. It just becomes zumala'i. Hum fi fasli. How will you say they are the colleagues? How will you say they are the colleagues whom we are talking about? They are the colleagues.
It should be Fil Zumala'i. At last.
Salami would be in the colleagues. Fi is in. How do we say they are the colleagues?
Hum Zumalaun, Sahib. Hum Zumalaun.
Would be they are colleagues. Hum Zumalaun would be they are colleagues. Okay. Hum Zumalaun would be they are colleagues. So that would be the best answer. So you take out the ya and it becomes Zumalaun. Naam hum Zumalaun hum fi fasli. Are they hardworking? How do you translate this sentence? Are they hardworking? How do you say are they?
Al hum.
Hardworking, one person, for example, if we say, for example, Nahida auntie is hardworking, let's say Nahida auntie mujtahidatun. Mujtahidatun is hardworking, female, singular. Or if we say Rahil auntie or Anil auntie are hardworking, we will say here mujtahidatun. Mujtahidatun would be hardworking. Now, how do we say they hardworking? So, how do we make it masculine and plural? Mujtahidun is regular. It's like saying pen pens. Come again?
Mujtahiduna.
Mujtahiduna. Very good. So, the tun would be feminine, singular, mujtahidatun. Masculine plural would be mujtahi. What is the answer, Sadia?
Mujtahiduna.
Mujtahiduna. Now, what's the full answer? Are they hardworking?
Al hum mujtahiduna.
Hal hum mujtahiduna. Yes, they are hardworking. How do we say this?
Naam hal hum mujtahiduna.
Hal hum mujtahiduna becomes are they hardworking?
Hum al mujtahiduna.
Naam hum mujtahiduna. Previous one was hal hum mujtahiduna. Here you just take up the hal. You say yes, they are hardworking. Naam hum mujtahiduna. Okay. With that, let's jump to Kahoot.
Sahib, Duna will come or Dun will come, Sahib?
Mujtahiduna.
No, Sahib. Mustahidun. Oh, yeah. I thought
Same thing.
it was. Yeah. Okay.
Mujtahiduna.
Yeah. Okay. Sahib.
Like Muslimun will become Muslimuna.
Yes,
Salihun will
yes.
become Salihuna. This will become
Yes.
Mujahiduna.
Yes, plural. Yes.
Right. Okay. Time for Kahoot, guys. We have short quiz, 8 questions. You need to go to Kahoot quickly. So go to kahoot.it, use gamepad 71, 32, 31, 6. Let me also put it on WhatsApp. So use gamepad 71, 32, 31, 6. And in 1 minute, I'll put it on WhatsApp, inshallah.
Ahmed, what's the code?
71, 32, 31, 6. Okay, let me put the code also on WhatsApp. It's taking time to load. So go to kahoot.it and you use 71, 32, 31, 6. You have the code also on WhatsApp. So we need Adnan, we need Rahil auntie.
Ahmed, I'm there
No, I can't see you.
on the screen.
Okay, we have Adnan.
There,
Okay.
Ahmed.
Muhammad Adnan.
Okay, so we seem to be only missing Rahil auntie.
But only 6 people.
Yes, only 6 people. Okay, we have 6 people. Let us start.
We had so many people last time.
Today we only have 6 people. Okay. First question. This car is from America. Blue, هذه السيارة من أمريكا. Right? هؤلاء السيارة من أمريكا. Orange, هذا السيارة من أمريكا. Focus on the first word. This car is from America. Okay, it is هذه السيارة من أمريكا. هؤلاء, what is هؤلاء? What is هؤلاء, Sadia?
These.
These. Okay, so here it is just one car. So you say this car.
Oh,
So you say هذه السيارة. سيارة is feminine. It has tamar bhuta. You've seen سيارة many times in the past. سيارة is feminine, so you'll use هذه. You will not use هذا. You will not use هؤلاء. How do you say these cars?
هؤلاء سيارة.
هؤلاء سيارة is only one car. هؤلاء, how do you say cars? Plural, like you know how
سيارته.
Sayaratuna.
no, this is feminine. How do you say female teachers?
Sayaratun. Sayaratun.
Sayaratun. So
Sayaratun.
sayaratun becomes these cars. Like you'd say mudarrisatun, mudarrisatun. Muslimatun, muslimatun. So here, what would happen to sayaratun?
سياراتun.
Sayaratun. So it becomes haula is sayaratun. In America, it becomes these cars. But here is only one car, so it is hatihi sayaratun. Okay, Zahan, Nahid auntie and Sadia got it correct. Let us continue. Second question. Bonus question, double points. My female Muslim friends came home. My female Muslim friends came home. I'm giving you a little bit of extra time for this. Blue is ja'as sadiqati al-muslimatu ila al-bayti. Right? Ja'us sadiqati al-muslimatu ila al-bayti. Orange. Ja'atis sadiqati al-muslimatu ila al-bayti. Focus on the first verb. What is going to be the right verb? Correct answer. My female Muslim friends came home is Ja'atis sadiqati al-muslimatu ila al-bayti. Why is it Ja'at and not Ja'a and not Ja'u?
Sajid Chacha, Kahoot cheated with me.
Right luck, Sahan. Why is it orange, Sahan? Can you explain the answer? Who can explain? Why is it Ja'at?
For female past tense, it should be Jat Sahib.
Because
Sorry,
it's
madam?
feminine.
Because it is feminine. What is Ja'a?
Came.
He came.
He came. Ja'a is masculine. What is Ja'u?
They came.
They came. Okay, here the verb is coming first. It has to be feminine. So it has to be Ja'at. Ja'a is masculine, singular. Ja'at is feminine, singular. So my female Muslim friends came home. So which is the noun here?
My female Muslim
Friends.
By
Friends.
T.
Female friends.
Female friends. So friends or female friends is the noun, which is the adjective, which is adding detail. Muslim. Muslim is the adjective.
Muslim.
So you say friends is the noun. Muslim is adding detail about what type of friends. So Muslim friends came home. So friends will come first. So ja as sadiqati. In fact, there should not be al. So it should just be sadiqati al muslimatu. So al would be wrong because there is e. That's one mistake already. So ja atis sadiqatu. So it only has to be sadiqati because of the ya. We should ideally take off the al. So it should be sadiqati al muslimatu ilal baiti. The al here is wrong. It can be ja'atis sadiqatu without the ya, or if I put the ya, I have to take off the al. But orange is the closest correct answer. The other answers have the wrong verb. Okay, Rahil auntie got this correct. Anil auntie got this correct. Zahan marked orange by Inky Pinky Ponky, but he did not know why. And Sadia also got this wrong. Okay, let's continue. Third question. These are hardworking female students. Similar pattern. Lu hadihi tullabun mujtahiduna. Red haulai tullabun mujtahiduna. Orange haulai talibatun mujtahidatun. Answer is haulai talibatun mujtahidatun. Haulai because it is these, plural. Which is the noun here? Is it hardworking or is it female students?
Female students.
Female students. So female students comes first, hardworking comes later. Female students is talibatun. Mujtahidatun is the adjective, it comes later. So haulai talibatun mujtahidatun. Correct answer is orange. So Nahid auntie got this correct, Sadia got this correct, Rahil auntie, Anil auntie also got this correct. Okay, now let's see who can say this answer without saying. So these are hardworking female students. Who can say the answer? Easy question.
هؤلاء مجتهدون
هؤلاء مجتهدات. What's the last word, Adnan?
Tullabatun.
Again, Jahan.
مدرسات
Tullabun.
طالب
Tullabatun.
طالبات.
هؤلاء
هؤلاء مجتهدون
Haulai mujtahiduna talibatun.
طالبات
مجتهدون. And what's the last word?
Talibatun.
طالبات
Batun. I'll tell you what the sentence means. This means these are, this is Talibatun. Okay, so what this means is these are, okay, 1 minute. So what this means is these are female students, male hardworking. That's what it means.
Will it be mujtahidatun, Saqib?
Mujtahidatun. Okay, this, let me try again. So these are okay, it is not letting me write. So these are, let me put something here to differentiate. For some reason it puts these are right at the start. Okay, so these are female students, hardworking. That's what this sentence means if you say mujtahidatun talibatun. Haulai mujtahidatun means these are female students, hardworking.
Adjective should come at the end, Saqib. The adjective should come at the end.
Adjective should come at the end. So first you put the noun. Okay, so these are students. So you need to put students first. So you say haulai
Talibatun.
talibatun
Haulai.
mujtahidatun. Then it becomes correct because haulai is the noun, it comes after haulai. So haulai talibatun mujtahidatun is what you do. Okay, so who can tell me the answer again without saying? These are hardworking female students. You need to say female students first and then you need to say hardworking. Who can tell me the answer?
هؤلاء طالبات مجتهدات.
Mujtahidatun is one, singular.
مجتهدات.
Mujtahidatun. Haulai talibatun mujtahidatun. Very good. Okay, let's go next question. Muslims came to my house. Take this, male Muslims. Blue, Ja'ul Muslimuna ila baiti. Red, Ja'al Muslimu ila baiti. Orange, Ja'al Muslimuna ila baiti.
Subtitle, our screen is lagging.
Let me read the answer again. Muslims came to my house. Blue is Ja'u al-Muslimuna ila baiti. Red, Ja'a al-Muslimu ila baiti. Orange, Ja'a al-Muslimuna ila baiti. Only 3 people got it correct. How do you say Muslims came to my house? Who can give the correct answer?
Ja'a muslimuna ila bayt.
Ja'a al-Muslimuna ila baiti. The issue with blue is when you have the verb at the starting, it only says ja'a, it does not become ja'u. You can say al-muslimuna ja'u ila bayti. That would be okay, but when you put the verb first, it becomes ja'a. So who can say the answer without saying? Muslims came to mind.
Ja'a al-muslimuna ila bayti.
Very good. Ja'a al-muslimuna ila bayti. Correct answer is orange. Okay, so looks like Nahid auntie also got this wrong. So Anil auntie, Zahan, and Adnan got this correct. Anil auntie has got 3 correct answers. So Anil auntie's first answer was wrong. Anil auntie is number 2. Okay. Question 5. Bonus question, double point. So pay attention. What are the names of your children? Blue, ma ismu awladika. Red, ma asma'u awladi. Orange, ma asma'u awladika. Let me read it again. What are the names of your children? Blue, ma ismu awladika. Red, ma asma'u awladi. Orange, ma asma'u awladika. Okay, what are the names of your children? Is ma asma'u awladika. Who can tell me the answer without saying? What are the names?
Ma asma'u awladika.
Ma asma'u awladika. Very good.
Asma'u awladika.
Ma asma'u awladika. How many offs do you have in the sentence?
1.
1 off. So there's 1 off here. Is there only 1 off, or are there more offs?
Two offs.
2 offs. Where's the second off?
Children of yours.
Children of yours. So in Arabic, you do not have my children. So in English, you can either say children of yours or your children. In Arabic, you cannot say your children. You have to say children of yours. So your children becomes children of yours. So Hamid's pen becomes pen of Hamid. So that's the pattern you use. So what are the names of the children of yours? So first off is this. So that's why it becomes asma'u awladi. There's no al. Awladi has e. So there's this first off, which is obvious. Second off is before the ka. So that's why it becomes awladi. It does not become al awladi. Otherwise it should be al awladi. But it becomes awladi ka. So ka is the attached pronoun. It means yours. And off comes because of the pattern. Awladika. Ma asma'u awladika. What are the names of the children of yours? Okay, Nahid auntie got this correct. Rahil auntie, Sadia, and Adnan also got this correct. So only Zahan, looks like Zahan got it wrong. Anil auntie lost the streak with the bonus question, but let us see if she can catch up. There's one more bonus question coming. So one more question can change a lot of things. Next question. The young men went to the masjid. Blue, ذهب الفتية إلى المسجد. Red, ذهبوا الفتية إلى المسجد. Orange, ذهبت الفتية إلى المسجد. What is the correct verb to be used? Look at the first word. Three seconds to go. Very good. It becomes ذهب الفتية إلى المسجد. The verb comes at the starting, so it only stays ذهب. ذهب الفتية إلى المسجد. Okay, so Nahid auntie, Rahil auntie, Sadia, Adnan got this correct, and Zahan also got this correct. Next question. They are from India. This is what we have seen in the class. Blue, hum minal Hindi. Red, hadihi min al Hindi. Orange, huwa min al Hindi. They are from India is hum min al Hindi. 1% did not answer. Everyone else answered correct. So Nahid auntie, Rahil auntie, Sadia, Adnan, Zahan got it correct. Looks like
Saqib, I pressed blue. It did not accept.
I think connection is showing that. It's okay.
Mm.
You know the concept. Okay. So last question. I think it's a bonus question. Let us see if it can change things big time. So bonus question, double points, and last question of the quiz. My friends are school teachers. Blue, صديقاتي مدرسون في المدرسة. Red, أصدقائي مدرسون في المدرسة. Orange, صديقاتي مدرسين في المدرسة. I'll read it again. So my friends are school teachers. This is general friends. So use masculine. Blue is صديقاتي مدرسون. Red, أصدقائي مدرسون. Orange, صديقاتي مدرسين. Okay, my friends are school teachers is أصدقائي مدرسون في المدرسة.
Sakib Chacha, I have a doubt. Should it be fi madrasati because fi means in?
In, yeah, so
في مدرسة.
مدرسون في المدرسة are teachers in the school. So that's how you say it in Arabic. School teachers would be said as teachers in the school or teachers in school. That's how you'd say it. Now, this was trick question, okay? So this is for you to think next steps. That's why I gave you bonus double points. What's the difference between أصدقائي and صديقاتي? What is صديق?
Friend.
Friend. So this is masculine. What is female?
Asdiqai.
No. Like what is student? Adnan would say Ana Talibun. What would Sadia say? So it'd say Ana Talibatun. So Sadiqun is friend masculine, a friend masculine. How do you say a friend feminine? You say Sadiqatun. So this is very simple. What is plural Sadiqatun? What is plural of Talibatun, Sadia?
The plural of Taliban.
Talibatun.
Talibatun.
Talibatun. So what would be plural of Sadiqatun?
Sadiqatun.
Sadiqatun. So feminine, most cases, it is going to stay regular. So Sadiqatun becomes Sadiqatun. So this becomes Sadiqatun. Okay. How do you say now? My female friends. Sadiqatun is a female friend. My say female friends is Sadiqatun. How do you say my female friends? How do you put mine? Female friends of mine. How do you make it female friends of mine?
As-sadiquna. Sadiqatun.
So Sadiqatun is female friends. Female friends of mine.
As-sadiqatun.
Sadiqatu would be the female friends. How do you say my name is Sadia?
Add an ya, na?
Right. So how will you add the ya to sadiqatun?
Sadiqati.
Sadiqati. So it should be sadiqatu. You'll take out the one u, but because of the ya, you'll not. You'll have to take out the u also. So you'll have to put e. So sadiqati is what you see here. So this is female friends. Here you have mudarrisuna. Mudarrisuna, is it masculine or feminine?
Masculine.
Masculine. So sadiqati is feminine. Mudarrisuna is masculine. So this does not match. This is wrong. The correct answer is sadiqun is singular. The plural of sadiqun is asdiqa'u. It is broken. Asdiqa'u is plural of sadiqun. So when you say, because you have mudarrisuna, you have to use the masculine form. You can't use sadiqati. Sadiqati is female. So you say asdiqa'i. Asdiqa'i is my male friends or my both. So friends in general, male, female, you will use asdiqa'i. Okay, let's see the podium. So third place, Sadia, 6 out of 10. Second place is Nahida auntie. This question changed a lot of things. Nahida auntie gave the correct answer quickly and use this bonus question to complete. Zahan is 4th, Adnan is 5th. Nahida auntie I think had connection issues. So congrats to the winners. It was easy quiz, but you still see, even with easy quiz, same concepts, you still have 2 mistakes. So more practice inshallah in the class and outside of the class will help you master the concept and get your grammar correct. With that, let me close. I'll take questions after the class. Subhanallahumma wa bihamdik ashhadu an la ilaha illa ant wa astaghfiruka wa atubu ilaik. Barakallahu li wa lakum. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Take care, stay safe, and see you all next weekend inshallah.
Jazakallah khair, sir.
Wa yakum.